In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export code from Base44. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and what to expect if you need a paid plan to complete the download. Start by opening your browser and heading to the Base44 app. Sign in if you aren't already. You'll land in the main workspace, and from here the goal is to get into the app you want to export. Look for the Apps section in the navigation. Depending on your layout, it may be in the sidebar or along the top. Click it to see a list of applications available to you. From the apps list, choose the specific app you want to export. If you have multiple workspaces or filters, make sure you're viewing your own workspace or the one where the app lives. Click into the app to open its editor. This takes you into the building environment where you can access files, pages, and settings tied to that project. Inside the editor, switch to the code view. You'll typically find a code tab or a dedicated icon that reveals the file tree and the source for your app. This view lets you confirm you're in the right place by glancing at the folders and files you expect to see. When you're ready to export, look for the download icon. It's usually positioned near the top of the code panel or the editor toolbar. Clicking this initiates a zip export of your project's code. Think of it as packaging the current source into a single file you can use locally, archive, or hand off to a teammate. If, instead of a download, you see an upgrade required message, that's expected behavior on certain plans. Zip file export is only available on Builder, Pro, Elite, and Enterprise plans. If you're on a free or lower tier plan, that's why the download is blocked. To proceed, you'll need to upgrade your plan or ask a workspace owner or admin with billing access to handle the upgrade. If you believe your plan already qualifies, double-check your role and permissions, then refresh the page and try again. A quick tip while you're here: even without export access, you can still view the code in the editor to review structure and content. And after you do upgrade, the same download icon is where you'll return to generate that zip. That's it. Go to Base44, open your app, switch to code, and use the download icon. If you see the upgrade prompt, remember that Zippy Export is a paid feature on Builder, Pro, Elite, and Enterprise plans. Thanks for watching and happy exporting.